Yes, sir! Oh, yeah! Sunshine, if you want to sponsor us. I'm acting like Sunshine's like a person. Sunshine, if you want to sponsor us, feel free to.
Last weekend, we decided to get away with some friends of ours to the mountains of North Carolina to try to catch the last bit of winter. Now, March in North Carolina is hit or miss in terms of snow, but we were still determined to ski. But you can't ski until you've had a hearty breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I just go for the win.
Step one, the cake.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get just by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes.
Thank you.
After breakfast, we hit the slopes.
Are you recalling everything from 7th grade?
Yeah.
Yes, sir! Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'm tickled pink that things aren't going my way, 'cause that would be boring. Spent my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, 'cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning.
When we got tired of doing triple backflips on the half pipe, we decided to watch people falling coming off the chairlift. We turned it into a bit of a game.
This next one, I'm gonna give one.
Okay.
Yeah, we got 2.
1, 2. Roy says 2. Oh, 1, 2. Roy's wins.
And that was our mountain weekend.